The foods that increase breast size quickly. There are many women who lack self-confidence just because they cannot wear well-cut outfits. The feeling is that because they do not have generous breasts, it will not seem good. Many other arguments are put forward by them to explain their frustration. To put an end to this, some of them use several methods including plastic surgery to solve their problem concerning their breasts. But for others, there is no question for them to go spend a fortune to have breast surgery, so they are more receptive to less radical methods. In this video, I am going to list foods that increase breast size quickly without any risks. Some types of seeds stand out with their richness in hormone promoting the development of the breast. Women, regardless of age, can eat them without moderation to have a more than satisfactory result in no time. You can also prioritize certain nutrients and chemical components found in plants. They are characterized by their ability to promote the production of estrogen, which increases the size of your breast. Choose the foods that contain all essential nutrition to solve your problems related to smaller breasts. By consuming more prolactin-rich foods, your breast will gain in volume. This hormone, from the pituitary gland, promotes the development of mammary glands. They are an economical solution to increase the size of the breast, without resorting to plastic surgery. List of foods that help increase your breast size quickly. Following a diet means eating certain foods in a specific way to solve a particular problem. So when we talk about diet here, we simply mean foods that increase breast size quickly. To give you a track, it is important to regularly eat foods that are composed of a lot of estrogens, amino acids, phytonutrients, isoflavone, and others, so that your breast tissue grows and reaches the size of your choice. Here are some examples of foods in which you can easily find these nutrients. Number 1. Avocado. It contains vitamins and a significant amount of amino acids that will help the growth of the mammary glands. Number 2. Parsley. This food is known for its many virtues, including its ability to promote a very good production of estrogen in the body. Number 3. Apples. Apart from its fat-regulating abilities in the body, the apple is an excellent fruit whose regular consumption will make you grow breasts. Number 4. Papaya and cherry. These fruits are rich in vitamin and contribute to the growth of the breasts. Number 5. Dates. Present in several recipes to grow breasts, dates are formidable allies. So if you do not use them in your recipes, why not eat them directly, to get the nutrients? Number 6. Fenugreek. This plant contains several nutrients that stimulate breast development, and is used very frequently to make creams, supplements, and oils that are marketed to enlarge breasts and buttocks. Number 7. Cabbage, garlic, flaxseed. These foods are all rich in phytoestrogens, vitamin, flavonoid, and other nutrients that promote the development of the mammary glands. Number 8. Soy and all cereals. They contain nutrients that are similar to that of estrogen. Suddenly, consuming it can also help to enlarge breasts. Check video description for more source. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel,